Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to send an email. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Mailerlite, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Sending an email on Mailerlite is a straightforward process that can serve various purposes depending on your business or personal goals. So once you are logged into your account here in Mailerlite, I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click the campaigns section. You will be forwarded to this page wherein you need to choose the type of email you want to send. You can click the create new campaign and you can choose from the two following options. Number one is the regular campaign, wherein you can create and send a regular email campaign to your selected subscribers. Or you can choose the A/B split campaign, wherein you can send two email variations to a sample group and see which performs better. But for now, since we're just starting out yet in Mailerlite, I want you to click the regular campaign. Click the continue button. You would be forwarded through this section. All right, you can choose from a campaign name, for example, this. Subject is going to be this, pre-header is this, recipient is going to be all your active subscribers. Click the continue. You can opt to track the links clicked in your campaign with Google Analytics. If you slide this, turning right, and click the next content. Now, it may take a little while, but you will be forwarded to this section. If you want to go to the all template section, you can type in, for example, email. So you're not going to be see this, you can have a welcome email and a feedback email. If you want to check both of these templates, just click the preview button. If you wanted to test the waters by checking if this template is going to be the template that you are going to use to send your first email here in Mailerlite. If you're happy with this, click the select template option. You would be forwarded to the and then you will be forwarded to this section. All right, this is going to be the option wherein you can customize all the content for your first email. All right, for example, this is going to be highly customizable. If you want to change this image, you have the option to edit the image right here. If you're not satisfied, you can upload your own image. For example, in my case, I'm going to be choosing this instead. All right, you have that. Now here, maybe we can change this, for example, to something like this best represents your brand logo and identity. All right, you can choose whatever the image that you wanted to present here. Okay, so again, you can set up all of the email subject line and confirm the sender's name and email address. You can customize all of these if needed. All right, in this case, we're gonna choose this one right here. These are all highly customizable, so if you're happy with it, you can add your logo here at the bottom if you want. The template has the settings right here. You can change your logo, your brand color if you want, and of course you can also put in the border color, maybe something like light green. All right, and then the menu items if you want to add like about section, your maybe your social platforms if you're working with social media channels such as maybe like your YouTube. All right, you can put it here. Now, if you want to add more elements along the way, for example, you can go to this navigation, put in your logo, navigation logo plus navigation bar here if you want. Just drag and drop it here. Columns, if you want to add standard hero, extended hero, title plus image, you can add all this content here. A single section, 2 columns, 3 columns, a small amount columns, or if you want to add a spacer, divider, a button, or a quote, you can do that, or e-commerce. But right now, I'm happy with how it looks. The email looks pretty well organized and thought. It's well put together. Once you're happy with it, you want to make sure to click the preview and test. Click the preview mode if you feel that this email is the right template for you to send your first campaign. Now it takes a little while. You would notice that you are on the desktop view, just to feel that the template for the email campaign is responsive. You can also choose the mobile version to see that it has an intuitive feel for your subscribers or your target audience or target market niche. All right, so looks pretty good to me. You also have an option to save this as a PDF. For example, it is going to be helpful if you are presenting to a team or to a client during meeting and presentation. You also have an option to copy the URL link. If you wanted to send this to your maybe client for feedback or comment, or if you're working with multiple freelancers in a collaborative environment, copy that link, send it to them, get your feedback, all right, or their comments. After that, you also have an option to save this as a template to make it backup data. For example, email temp. And click the save button. Now, when you do that, this is going to be the base template whenever you create email as a campaign here on Mailerlite. Just click on continue editing because the templates or this template will be saved on your my template section. All right, takes a little while. Wait for it. Now in here, go to the send a test mail just to make sure that this template is working or the email is working. You might want to do that here. Click the send test, or if you want to send a different email for that so that the recipient, maybe if you're working with a client, put your client's email here or one of your team members to make sure that all the email has been put together and it is functional. All right, it looks pretty well. Click the send test. All right, now once you're done with it, click the done editing. Wait for it to load. You will be forwarded to the last section of your email campaign, which is going to be your first email test. All right, so you see you have more options here. Subject line, you can click the suggest button. It's an AI powered tool wherein you can put in the email description. For example, we're going to be choosing something like this. Click the generate button. It's a subject line generate. It will give you like a catchy subject line. For example, if you want to use this one or unleash the power of email campaigns, click this. All right. If you want to edit the sender, the reply to mail, language, and the tracking options, you have all the options before you send your campaign. All right. So you can do that here. You can send test email again or edit the content if you feel like there's an element that's missing or lacking to your email template. You have 4 options here. However, if you send it now, you can immediately send your campaign. Click the send button right here. The send later is if you can set up a schedule to send your campaign at a specific time, which is helpful if you're working with different regions, such as based on time zones. If you have a different niche target region, for example, if you're working within the US territory and you're going to send it to UK platform, you might want to choose the based on time zones. The smart sending is something that you need a pro plan before you can do it. And from here, just click on the send button, and that's how you create or send an email in Mailerlite. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.